So as you guys can see, one 4-foot long hose. Most annoying thing about a toolbox is whenever it just and doesn't go. So Ross just called. He is up here at Emerson right now, and he blew a hydraulic line, so I'm coming up to get him. Probably end up pulling off the hydraulic line tonight and then fixing it tomorrow. Hopefully then that way he can get running and finish up everything up here at Emerson. Dad did finish up planting corn up here tonight, and yeah, so hopefully I can get up here and get him back home and back to his baby mama, because I know she's probably missing him. But this year's been a tough year with this Hagee, and hopefully next year you'll see us with a new one. But anyways, I'm gonna go pick up Ross, see what we can do to fix it tonight, see if we can fix it tonight or not. I got about 5 gallon of hydraulic oil in this pickup, and yeah. Anyways, I'm driving like a maniac right now because I'm trying to get him before he walks all the way back to his truck, which is about 2 miles. And yeah. Whee! What'd you do now, Ross? Hydraulic hose. Come down here. We got a hose right here. Looks like it popped out of the fitting, so shouldn't be too hard to fix. If anything, we'll keep that hose and cut it off. So yeah, anyways, once Ross gets up here with his flashlight, I'll be able to show you. Flashlight! Flashlight! See it? Yeah. So you want to take it off tonight? Where's it go? You can. It goes right there. Okay, that ain't that bad. Yeah, we'll take it off real quick here. And then take it home and get you fixed up for tomorrow. You want to do that?
Yeah, fix it, because we're supposed to get 2 inches of rain tomorrow.
No, they backed it down. We're supposed to get 1 inch. Thankfully, we only get 1 inch instead of 2 inches. So, as you can see, one little, what is that, 3-foot long? 4-foot long? That might be about 5 foot.
I'm 5'8".
So it's probably about 4 foot long. So as you guys can see, one 4-foot long hose can put a bummer in everybody's plans for the day.
Yeah.
So
I was going good and everything, and went to go fold up, and as you can tell, let's put a damper on my night.
Yep. Oh well. It'll be all right.
I think it's trying to tell me to just go home.
Just go home. You know, tonight's episode of
Close enough.
Late Night Fixes. It's currently, what, 1 in the morning almost?
Yeah. I got it.
And we're trying to fix the hydraulic hose that we don't know if we have the fittings for. What size hose was that? That just about fell out of there. 1/4 inch red. Go ahead and get your fittings, Ross. But yeah, anyways guys, it is currently about 1 in the morning, if not almost 2. And me and Ross are currently trying to make a hydraulic hose. We are both running on basically like 2 hours of sleep. Wrong drawers.
It's quarter.
Oh. Sorry. Don't run small stuff. Quarter-inch hoses.
I don't even know if this is the right drawer.
So where's your other fittings at? Too small. Too big. Is that one a flange or a flat fit?
What's that one?
Flange.
That ain't work.
Go down to the next drawer.
Empty.
Empty, huh?
Yeah, it seems like it's been.
Hold that.
Okay. We got hose fittings. That'd be great.
So anyways, basically what this does is it clamps it down onto the hose, clamps this metal down, holds it on there. Same thing with the other end as well. Holds it on there, makes a nice and tight fit. Then that way all the pressure that's on these hoses, which can be up to, what are these? Whatever. So Ross was just saying that it is 1 o'clock, so we might as well just go up there until 2.
We're gonna get there too, so might as well work till 3.
I mean, I ain't got a problem with it. That's less I gotta do. Alright, but seriously though,
No, we're all home. I know I am.
let's go home. It's late. Let's go start this pump on. That's not supposed to be like that. Huh. Well, I guess I better get a change of clothes and the boom truck. Probably 7210 too. Nice. Nice way to start the morning. Whew. Well, shucks. Gotta figure out something to do to it. It's probably gonna have to bring down the 7210 boom truck because we're gonna back out boom truck down there. We're gonna need the 7210 pulled back out, I think. Unless there's no tractor down here, which there might be one up there at the sheds, so I'll go up there and look. Huh. Well, I don't know how to exactly go about that. Huh. So we went down earlier and got that out of the river. I'm now cleaning out this truck because it was making me mad while I was down there. So I'm cleaning out all that stuff so then I can actually put stuff back there and yeah, actually use the bed instead of just for a trash can. So we're gonna take the hot seat and spray it out now. Hopefully get all the oil out of it so then you can actually walk in it. But yeah, I'm cleaning out my work truck finally. There's probably been people that's been on me about it, but it's okay. And then once I get all my stuff put back in, I might give this truck a good old bath. It needs it. Plus, I'm not really doing a whole lot today, so. So it definitely ain't perfect, but it's better than it was. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this truck back in, put all my tools back up. But I had to clean it out a little bit because it was just bothering me. So cleaned it out a little bit. And now I'm probably gonna get a new mat for it because I was trying to pull the mat out of it so I can spray it off and it broke in half. So I probably gotta get a new mat. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get this all set up to a better way. But that toolbox I got in there, the lid doesn't want to stay open because the cylinders are bad on it. So I think I'm gonna go get new cylinders for it sometime whenever I get a chance to. Hopefully that'll make that better. And then I want to get another one of them little toolboxes that mount on the side of it. So yeah, we'll see what we can figure out here. But I got all this stuff and I don't know, I'll figure something out. I mean, it ain't perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was. And I got my toolboxes over there tied up. I gotta take these back to the farm, or back to my house, and then take out my trash. Yeah, that's a lot better now. And I'll be able to pick up my parts on the way home from town too, because I'm gonna go, I think I'm gonna go get a new bed mat, see if I can order one or buy one or what I gotta do exactly, and get a new mat put in. And then I'm gonna see if I can find another one of the toolboxes around here for all my electric tools. If not, I'll find one of them, more of them DeWalt ones. Them DeWalt boxes are nice to have. So I don't know. I think I got one over here in the oil room. So I'm gonna go look over there. So I also gotta drain out the fuel dike and the fertilizer dike. I gotta do that here once I get back. I gotta go buy another sump pump. We got like 2 inches of rain the other day, so I gotta drain it all out. But the shop's actually empty for once. It's not really clean, but it's empty. I gotta put them back in there too. Huh. Maybe that one was over here that I'm thinking about. Not seeing it. Well, I guess I gotta go buy one. I'll go spend some money somewhere, see what I can spend money on. Most annoying thing about a toolbox is whenever it just and doesn't go all the way up. So, yeah, solution. New shocks. Yeah, I know. Sorry, we really ain't left the shop today. Junk. And then here's one of the new ones. We'll put it. There we go. Now I just gotta put the other side on. We'll be good. I don't think this other side's as bad, but I went ahead and bought them. We might as well go ahead and put them on. All right. There we go. That's a lot better. So, and then I got my new floor mat, bed mat, whatever. So I got to put that on and then put that in and then clean up my mess that I made. And then this truck should be pretty well good to go. I got to clean out the toolbox, put some new grease tubes in it, and organize it a little bit better than what it is now. So yeah. So I had to go help Dad. I ended up not finishing cleaning out my toolbox and everything. I had to come down and help Dad with the pump house. We just got that done and we're now out here looking at fields. So far what I'm seeing looks good. I want to go over and look at the Zyway plot again, see what it looks like. And then once it comes up at Robinson, I'm going to go up there and look at it. But that's on my list of things to do probably tomorrow or Monday, if I had to guess. But I ain't sure. I might even end up doing it on Sunday if I don't go do anything. But yeah, that's on my list of things to do. Look at them Zyway plots and see if we can see any differences or anything like that. Be interesting to see, that's for sure. So I'm gonna go down here and look at bloods. It's probably about the farthest along the yellow corn that we got, and then I'll look behind the house once I get back home too. These beans here, they look pretty good. They're kind of spotty in places. Might have to come back in and spot plant from that frost, that freeze or whatever. But we'll have to see what ends up happening with it. We got about 1.5 inches of rain last night, so yeah. It was a well-needed rain for some of these crops down here, that's for sure. So from what I can see, from like that field to that field where there's Zyway and no Zyway, the overall plant health just looks a lot better. Once again, I know I said this before, but we gotta wait. Really, you aren't gonna be able to tell how much healthier it is until it gets a little bit farther along. And that's the worst part about it is we can't just sit here and fiddle our thumbs and wait after planting one field of it. But I wish we kind of would have at the same time, because we kind of threw all of our eggs in one basket and put out 1,000 acres of it. But I do think that the overall plant health does look a lot better. It has a nicer, greener color to it. It seems to be growing a lot better. It's putting out more of a root even. And yeah, it would be interesting to see what it looks like here in the next couple weeks. Let's just hope everything works out.